Three types of wood chipper. Here this one is 7 HP, means horsepower. It is of 15 horsepower and it's of 18 horsepower. So let's describe this. It comes with an 212 cc gasoline Rato engine that is very powerful to cut almost more than 4 types of wood from Pahel Agrotech. And also there is a adjustable extender with emergency stop switch that can stop a machine anytime, like in emergency or just we don't want to use. And with like a regular rubber tire, powerful main blade like a support blade, and rotating blade. This one is rotating blade. So it's a 7 HP 7 horsepower wood chipper. For pricing and more details, please contact us.